Hi, welcome to Foxy. My name is Setu Kumar and I'm a makeup and beauty expert. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about anti-aging skin lifting massage. Now, skin lifting massage is something which we all need to do, especially when we start aging, because our skin actually tends to sag a bit. We kind of discover fine lines, profeets and stuff like that. अब जो मसाज करने के लिए दो तरीकों का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, या तो आप ऑयल का यूज़ कर सकते हैं या मॉइस्चराइजर का, depending on what your skin type is and what suits your skin. So I'm going to be using the oil for my face. The idea is just to take 1 or 2 drops of it so that it's enough for just to tap on your face, and then we'll start the massaging process. So you can have 2 options to choose from. One is a hyaluronic acid which has got a good water content. So you could use this, or you could use the Mamra almond oil, which is 100% natural. I'm going to be using the oil to start with. So you can take like 1 teaspoon of oil in your palms. That should be enough. And just rub it nicely at both your palms. So you can see I've got oil in both my palms. Now I'm going to just apply it all over my face right now, till my neck. So it's very important that you don't leave the neck behind, because our neck kind of also suffers from sagging of skin. It kind of goes down. Now we will start massaging. So the idea is to detoxify the lymph nodes which are present here and here. So I'm going to start massaging very slowly, downwards, because this is called draining. So we are draining and detoxifying our lymph nodes very, very softly, but with firm hands. It's very important to keep your hands a little firm, but not absolutely strong. So we've drained this out. Now we come to the chin part. So you can place your thumb below your chin and just slide down till the end of your ear. Now massage is something which you can do for 2 to 3 minutes or for 15 to 20 minutes, depending how long you want to carry on with the process. The other part is just lift up this and take it back. Now we're going to use the knuckles a bit. So we'll lift it up right till here, and then we'll take it till the end of the ear. So we are lifting and then we are slowly draining it to the end of the ear. So now we're going to cater to this part, especially when we get a lot of laughing lines. We're going to use like a scissor and then use smaller circular motion. One more time, we'll do the scissors and then smaller circular motion that erase your laughing lines. Now we uplift all of this right to the forehead and then drain it out very, very slowly, take to the end of the ears. Now we go to our eyes. So we're going to lift up our eyebrows like that and wait for like a second or two, and then drain it out right here. We'll do it one more time and drain it out. For under your eyes, just very, very softly, because the skin is very soft under your eyes. But we're just going to use the draining process here. We're not doing any lifting under the eyes. We just need to drain it so that this area becomes more firm. For your profeet, use the scissors right here. Take it upwards like a straighter motion on your forehead, and then scissors the other eyes. And then you just do this. So basically the other motion for the forehead is this, just to eradicate the thinking lines, because with stress, with age, thinking lines appear. You're going to just try and drain them out like that. Drain out under the eye again. Lift up and drain here. And this really feels nice. I can feel, the facial muscles being relaxed and uplifted at the same time. A lot of blood circulation, which improves the skin elasticity and also gives you a beautiful glow. We're going to drain it again like that. We'll take it back to our neck from where we started. slowly and slowly, pressing it downwards. And that's how you will achieve a brighter, glowing looking skin. I really enjoyed this anti-aging skin lifting massage, and I hope you like this video too. For more such content, keep watching Foxy. Stay fab, stay foxy.